Hello, guys. We are now playing NSRM Railroad Museum. And first train that we are going to be checking out is actually not a real train. It is actually a train model set. I found this game here recently on Roblox, and I'm going to start up at one of these trains and doing my character on to the control panel. There's the train. Since we got one going, we better get the other one going too. Now we can visit the real trains. Now that I've got that going, and I know I'm talking that louder than the usual. I noticed in my last video that I needed to talk louder than I usually do. So once this video is uploaded, you guys should be able to hear me a lot better than in some of my other videos. Coming soon, so we're going to check out this other side and check out some of the sounds on this train. Caution, you guys might want to turn your headphones down on this first one. Second one, actually. If you are at a crossing and you will hear the bell but don't see a train coming, still stop for your own safety, because you will never know, especially if you're in a big railroad populated town, on whether or not there is actually a train coming your way, or if you're just hearing a train that had recently come through. But still, if the barriers are still down, I would still stop if I were you, for my own safety, because I would not want to at all get hit by a train. And I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't want to either, because getting hit by a train can actually kill you. You guys may want to watch your headphone volume on this next one too. This next one is going to be loud. That was another type of train whistle, a diesel whistle. Norfolk and Western, that is the one that travels from the north coast to the western coast. Sorry about that, guys, but my phone just got a notification, and that's pretty obvious of you Samsung phone owners that are out there that know that notification sound, but obviously you wouldn't know it. But anyway, on it with the game. We're now checking out the South Lakes and the Eastern, also known as Daryl on Thompson Friends. Now, it don't make any sounds. It does move though. Except last time it moved a train, I ended up messing it up, so I'm not going to move it. And jump over this car and go to the Milwaukee Railroad. And that guy does not know that he is on that video. So I'm going to put in chat. I'm recording a video. That should be good enough. You guys hear that? That was that other train. Someone started up the bell on it. Shiny Roblox Railroad train car. And there was a train yard in the back. I just done that covered another secret that I didn't know about before. The developer needs to redo these rails. You guys see that? All that brown on the rails are rust. Except for underneath it. That is not rust. That is actually rotted wood and also fresh wood. I thought this place ran off of a diesel. Of course, it has to for some of the engines. That way, some of the engines would be able to have the abilities they do. And I cannot move that train up because it's not on a rail. I thought there were two with the other train going. Right now, both of my TVs in it here say no signal. And I'm going to get onto this one. That looks like a bottle one. And if it is, if you guys have seen that Power Express, you should recognize that locomotive as the Power Express. Sorry about that, guys. I had to turn my TV off. That's why I was sitting there still for a little bit. And I'm actually using the Samsung Game Assistant to record the video. And this is not going to be the only game that we will be playing today. We will also be playing around in my newest discovery. Other than that, and I included this in one of my other videos, but I'm not going to upload that video due to information purposes. That's Farm City. we won't be going to that one. Minecraft headquarters, really, people? Where is it? Unless they took it down. Hang on, guys, I'm having trouble finding it. There it is. Once again, do not pull the mainnet fire alarm in the HQ or else you will be kicked or banned. You are only allowed to test testing aboard security system installed. Okay, let's do it. Sorry, eating up caramel popcorn and doing this. And now I'm going to go up to my office and I found it with some of the firearm stuff in there. Except it is not at all connected to the main system. So I'm going to get banned for pulling the pull stations I have in here. That is actually the first thing I get checked. I'm trying to get pulled it in here. And unfortunately, I cannot reset that. Please do not pull the firearm at here, or else you will get kicked or banned. And I will see you guys later.